Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry is Fun. Today we will deal with the topic acids, bases and salts. This is part 3 and this is from class 10th of CBSE. Today we will deal with the topic metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. When they react with acids, what will happen we will see. Now see, all the carbonates have the ion CO3 2-, carbonate. This is the carbonate ion. For example, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Okay. So when metal carbonates react with any acid, we will find that there will be liberation of a gas which is carbon dioxide. Same thing happens with hydrogen carbonates. In hydrogen carbonates, we will find the ion HCO3. So, whenever any metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acids, we get the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. Corresponding salt means it will depend upon what acid we are taking. If we take hydrochloric acid, we will get the salt. In case of Na2CO3, the salt produced will be NaCl. Now see, if you see this experiment, this is a test tube. In the test tube, we take sodium carbonate. Okay. In the test tube, we will take sodium carbonate. In that, we can add the acid. So, what acid here we are taking? Hydrochloric acid. So, we take sodium carbonate in a test tube and we add dilute HCl. Okay. So, the test tube is fitted to the stand and we are adding dilute HCl. We will see that one gas is evolved. Okay. That gas, with the help of a delivery tube, is passed to another test tube. In this test tube, there is calcium hydroxide solution. So, when the gas is passed in lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, we see that the lime water turns milky. So, this is the test for carbon dioxide. So, when the lime water turns milky, we can say that the gas is CO2. Because CO2 can be, that is carbon dioxide, can be tested by passing it through lime water turns milky. So the evolved gas is carbon dioxide, we can say. So the experiment is, we have to take two test tubes. In one we take sodium carbonate, in the another you have to take sodium hydrogen carbonate. The setup will be the same as shown in this diagram. And add dilute hydrochloric acid to both. We will find that a gas is produced. So the equation in case of carbonate is Na2CO3 plus 2HCl aqueous gives 2NaCl aqueous plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Okay, so CO2 will be given out. In case of hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, in that when we pass HCl, means HCl is added to it. In NaHCO3 we add HCl, we will get NaCl again, H2O and CO2. So to the Na2CO3 we add HCl, or to NaHCO3 you add HCl. In both the cases CO2 gas you will see will be evolved. This gas is passed through lime water. So then this is the equation. Calcium hydroxide CaOH twice aqueous. CaOH twice. This is a CaOH twice aqueous plus CO2. That is, we have passed CO2 gas. We will get calcium carbonate plus H2O. So lime water turns milky. Now when excess CO2 is passed, milkiness disappears. Why it disappears? Because CaCO3 was formed. In that we are passing CO2 again, this equation. CaCO3 plus H2O we got, in that we pass CO2 again. We get CaHCO3 whole 2. So this is bicarbonate, that is hydrogen carbonate of calcium. This is soluble in water. Calcium hydrogen carbonate, this is soluble in water. So when excess of CO2 is passed, we find that the milkiness disappears. Now we can say that limestone, chalk and marble are different forms of calcium carbonate. They are different forms of calcium carbonate. And we can sum up the reaction between metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate and acid as: metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid will give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So CO2 will be given out. So this CO2 is tested with the help of CaOH twice when the lime water turns milky. So I hope students you all could understand this topic which I discussed today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.